Hello, welcome to Acharya Nidana Academy. In this particular video, we are going to discuss the next type of Abhyantara Hetu, that is the Bahya Rogamarga, or otherwise Rasadi Gati, Rasadi plus Tvak Gati. So let me share the presentation. So Rasadi Gati. What actually, so this Rasadi Gati means what? So Ayurveda says the Rasa, Rakta, Mamsa, Meda, Asti, Majja and Shukra. So here Rasa, but the term it is actually including Raktadi Gati. Raktadi Gati plus Tvak as the assessment of Rasa abnormalities can be identified by Tvak. Hence, so it is ideal to say Raktadi Gati plus Tvak rather than Rasadi Gati. So regarding the what actually, so this particular Raktadi Dhatu refers to, it is Bahya Rogamarga. So it is being mentioned by Chakrapani, Tatra Shakha Raktadayo Dhatavah Tvakcha Sabahyo Rogamarga. Tatra Shakha Raktadayo Dhatavah Tvakcha Sabahyo Rogamarga. When you think about the types of the dhatu, Charaka says two types of the dhatu, sthanastha and margaka. When you say about sthanastha means what? Which are being situated in the tissues. That means they are not moving in the body. Whereas margaka are the types of the dhatu or nutrients, they are moving in the circulation. So here Bahya Rogamarga refers to these nutrients which are moving in the body, which are nourishing the different tissues. That is Rakta, Mamsa, Meda, Asthi, Majja and Shukra plus Tvak. That is actually considered to be the Bahya Rogamarga or Raktadi Gati. In terms of the compartments as such, as already know, the human body is represented in 4 different compartments. That is alimentary canal compartment and intravascular compartment, interstitial compartment and intracellular compartment. So as we have discussed in the previous session, the alimentary canal, it is the one which is considered to be Abhyantara Rogamarga, or otherwise it's also being termed as Mahasrotas, wherein most of the almost 95% of the Nidana, they are being exposing into the alimentary canal or gastrointestinal tract. Hence, it is of very, very importance. And it is of equal importance because elimination of the pathogens are also being performed through the either oral route or rectal route. So here, Bahya Rogamarga refers to what? So the intravascular compartment and interstitial compartment and intracellular compartment outside the bones, joints and marma are considered as Bahya Rogamarga. Now, let us learn what actually happens in the Bahya Rogamarga. So, basically the events are happening in the Bahya Rogamarga or Raktadi Dhatu is, first of all, the macromolecules, they are being not properly digested in the alimentary canal, be in the stomach or be in the small intestine or be in the large intestine. Because of the uh, inflammation and infection happening in the alimentary canal, these are actually responsible for the damage to the alimentary canal. That is the mucosa of either stomach or small intestine, large intestine. Because of the damage, these macromolecules, they enter as a macromolecules into the capillaries of the stomach or small intestine or large intestine. As they are larger molecular size, they are not entering into the portal system. They are entering into the lymphatics. From the lymphatics, they enter into the thoracic duct. From there, they enter into the superior vena cava at the junction between left interjugular vein and left subclavian vein. From there, these macromolecules, or what we can say, the pathogens, they enter into the right atrium. From there, into the right ventricle. From there, into the pulmonary trunk. Then into the pulmonary capillaries. From there, pulmonary veins. Later, into the left atrium. Then into the left ventricle. Then into the aorta. From there, into the capillaries. That is arteries, from there, arteries into the capillaries of the cardiovascular system. So that means these pathogens or macromolecules, they enter from the capillaries of the stomach, small intestine, large intestine, till the capillaries of the cardiovascular system. They are categorized under Bahya Rogamarga. So that means the events they are going to take place is nothing but the transport of these pathogens from the alimentary canal into these, what do you say, that the intravascular compartment, from there into the either formed elements of the blood, that is RBCs and WBCs. This is what is considered to be Bahya Rogamarga, the extent of Bahya Rogamarga. So the take-home messages from today's discussion. Rasadi Gati, better to say Raktadi Dhatu plus Tvak. They are also being termed as Bahya Rogamarga. In this Rogamarga, all nutrients which are moving in the channels which will nourish the Dhatu, that is Margaga Dhatu, can be categorized under this type of Rogamarga. The extent of Bahya Rogamarga is from the capillaries of the stomach, small intestine or large intestine till the capillaries of a cardiovascular system. But here portal circulation is not included, as they are not leading to the movement of the macromolecules from the capillaries of the alimentary canal into the liver. Hence, we are excluding portal circulation. Dear ANA members, that's all for today. What are the major key takeaways from today's discussion? Mention in the comment box. And what is that particular one topic that you would like to have a discussion in this particular channel? Mention in the comment box. And if you are liking this particular video, then spread this video to the maximum number of true Ayurveda learners, so that we we can make a huge movement out of this particular small message. That's all for today. Something more in the next video. Thank you.